G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Right in front of me, I've got an electrical coated mower from Azita. It's 1200 watts. It's been in use for the last 4 years, but it's done in the hard yards and the blade has gone blunt. It doesn't cut anymore properly. So I decided I will go and do the replacement of the blade and show it to you guys. So first step is to get the make and model. You already know the make. The model number is ELM1230. You lift the flap and you'll find out the model number right here. You take the model number to Bunnings and get the replacement blade. How do you do it? Turn it around. Here's the blade. As you can see, it's not sharp anymore. It's blunt and it is way past its useful life. So the tools you will be needing is a socket wrench, 13mm socket that will fit onto this bolt, a piece of timber so you can place it in this area to block the blade from moving when you're going to unscrew it, and the replacement blade. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Turn the wrench anti-clockwise to loosen the bolt. I'm using a piece of wood to hold the blade in its place and prevent it from moving while I loosen the bolt. Since I had already loosened the bolt before making the video, it comes off quite easily here. The first time I removed it, though, it took a bit more time and effort. As you can see, the old blade is very blunt, damaged, and worn out. The replacement lawnmower blade comes with 2 sets of flat washer, spring washer, and the bolt. Not sure why the second set was provided in the box and only one is needed. You can't really go wrong with the blade replacement. If you try to install the wrong way and upside down, the lugs won't align and the blade won't fit properly. Another quick check is to make sure the directional arrows on the blade are facing you when you install it. Once the blade is in position, now you can put the bolt through the washers into the center hole. Time to tighten the bolt by turning the wrench clockwise and using the wood on the other side to prevent the blade from moving. The job is now complete. So there you go guys, in few simple steps I've just shown you how to replace the lawnmower blade very easily and without any hassle. This mower is good as new and it will cut my grass very cleanly as it did the first day. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching the video. If you like it, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.